Hi, my dear friends, stay blessed. I'm Vasanthi speaking. Today please don't skip this video. It's a very interesting stories and all happenings in the temple of Sri Hanuman, Lord Hanuman in Sri Lanka. This is a temple, a very beautiful hill temple in Sri Lanka. It is known as, it is placed in Sri Lanka in the city of Nuvarliya. It is a temple of Nuvarliya. It is a very pleasant hill station, hill temple, and it has, the environment is very greenery, in a very natural scenery, with a natural scenario. This temple is a very beautiful and powerful temple of Lord Hanuman, Sri Ramabhuda Hanuman temple. This temple was just inaugurated from 2001. It is having a very interesting story. Swamiji Chinmayananda was traveling through this temple, through this way, not through this temple, through this way, in this hilly way, to Nuvarliya after conducting some programs. When the car has come down here, it has just stopped. It was not functioning, and they could not start that car with no technical fault. It was understood that it had no technical fault, but despite it, the car could not be moved. It could not be restarted. So Swamiji Chinmayananda, what he did is, he just kept quiet, he just prayed for, he went to a dhyana for 15 minutes. And he knew that Sri Hanumanji, Lord Hanumanji has set his feet here in Sri Lanka for seeing Sita Mata, for giving that ring from Sri Rama, Lord Rama. As a messenger, he has come and he has set his feet here, this place. And so what Chinmayananda, Swamiji Chinmayananda wanted to construct a temple, and it had no evidence of this temple for based on Ramayana. So he wanted to appreciate, and he was the best devotee of Sri Hanumanji. He had that gratitude for building a temple for Hanumanji, Lord Hanumanji. That was how this temple came, and very well, and it is a very huge temple in hill. Actually, Mr. Mutayan from Mahabalipuram, he was a sculptor who did that idol of Sri Hanumanji. It is a very large idol. Actually, it is 16 feet of Hanumanji. And it was inaugurated from the year of 2001. This is a very interesting story of how this temple has come. This powerful temple of Sri Hanumanji came. Its avatar, the avatar of this temple is this. This is one story actually. And what more things we have to know is, for Hanuman Jayanti, during the month of December to January, he has given his birth from the star of Moola star. Before the Moola star, 10 days of a big function will be conducted, and thousands of people will be coming here, seeing the darshan of Sri Hanumanji, the powerful God. And what more things is, it is a very big temple which has steps to go up, and it is a very greenery place, and all the cars or vehicles can be parked not near the temple, just little far of the temple, and all the devotees has to walk a little bit and get on to the stairs for having a darshan of the temple. It has a big platform behind the Lord Sri Hanumanji. He is 16 feet height, and people from far off distance could see this temple. It has this unique picture actually, because it has a long height. Hanumanji is a little height, 16 feet height, huge height. So people could recognize very easily at the far of the distance. Nobody need not search for the temple. It is a very beautiful temple, hill temple for Sri Hanumanji. And during the star of Mula Nakshatra, between the month of December and January, the temple will conduct 10 days before that Mula Nakshatra, Mula star. 10 days, a very huge function, thanking for Sri Hanumanji, and good Abhishekam, and you have Abhishekam of 108 pots actually. And for 10 days they will be chanting Sri Hanumanji's 1000 names of Sahasra Namam of Hanumanji. All in 10 into 1000 names. They will be chanting throughout the 10 days actually. It will be so superb actually. And every new full moon day, Hanumanji will have a Abhishekam, with a red color kungumam, Sinduram actually. A red color paste, Sinduram. We tell as Sinduram in Tamil. They will conduct, the priest will be conducting Abhishekam through red color, by red color paste, kungumam actually. And after that they will be giving to all the devotees. And this powerful red color kungumam, sindur, is symbolizing the symbol of victory actually. It symbolizes the victory actually. And the people, the devotees who have that kungumam as prasad, as their prasad, will get all the desires, whatever they want. They will be blessed through Hanumanji. This is the law in Sri Hanuman temple, or we call it as Aidhigam in Tamil. Every devotee will be blessed with all their desires fulfilled. When their desires are fulfilled, they give beetle leaves garland. They just offer beetle leaves garland to Hanumanji, Lord Hanumanji, beautiful beetle leaves garland which he wishes so much. And he prefers butter also. He loves butter, having butter. This is what happens every year. And 108 pots of milk pots will be coming. They will do Abhishek before the Mula star of December and 2 January is Jayanti, before Hanuman's Jayanti. And where do the 108 pots, milk pots come? It is very interesting. It comes from nearby Sri Varadaraja Perumal temple. From there they bring 108 milk pots and they do Abhishek for Sri Lord Hanumanji, who is in the height of 16 feet. And one more thing is, they do 1008 Abhishek of conch Abhishek, which is known as Sangha Abhishekam in Tamil. This will also be performed very beautifully, and thousands of people thrash here to this temple. It is a very pleasant temple. It is blended with, it is merged with spiritual and beautiful natural sceneries. And people love to come here. and all the people who are devotees of Sri Hanumanji. I am the greatest devotee of Lord Hanumanji. I really like him. I really love him. I am the greatest fan of Hanumanji. And we are all, I suppose that we are all the fans of and devotees of Hanumanji. And one more thing, one more particular function is being conducted annually. What is that function? It is a ring function. Ring function of Hanumanji. What is ring function? It is an ornament wearing in finger, actually. Sri Hanumanji, as a messenger from Lord Sri Rama gives his ring, or Sudamani in Tamil, to Lord Hanuman. Sri Rama conveys, give this to my wife, lovely wife, awesome wife. She is my life, Sita Mada. Please give this as a token. It is evidence come from me. And she will be pleased or happy and happy. So he brings here, and this is the place, Nu Varaliya. This place is the place where it is Ashoka Vanam in Sri Lanka. It was Ashok Vanam, Ashok Garden, or Ashoka Forest, you could say that. And he meets Sita Mada, goddess awesome Sita Mada, and he tells that, Madam, Amma, I have come from Sri Ram, your husband, your lovely husband, from God, powerful God, Lord Sri Ram, Sri Ramachandra Murthy, and I am bringing as a token of evidence to you, to give this ring to you. He has told me to give this ring. While seeing that, Sita Mada becomes so immensely happy, and she gets relieved that my husband is going to take me very safely again to Ayodhya. This was the moment. This was the place, and it's a very powerful place. And Sri Hanumanji is a connector, is a bridge for husband and wife. Lord Sri Ramachandra Murthy and goddess, awesome goddess Sita Mada. This is one evidence. And we have to thank Swami Chinmayanda, who has constructed this beautiful hill temple. God has gifted him to construct this temple. And Sri Mr. Muttayan Tirumuttayan is also blessed to do that idol of Sri Anjaneer, Sri Hanumanji. This is the place. And 7 days function is being conducted for that ring ceremony. It is conducted in a very beautiful way, in a very highly decorated way. And you have a very big mandapam, Vasanta Mandapam, where they keep all the articles for Abhishekam, for function, for Abhishek, for function, for ring festival. That ring festival will be conducted in a very large way, and people from Sri Lanka and other foreign countries, they throng here to come there to see that darshan of Sri Hanumanji and the festival of ring festival. This is a beautiful story, and I wanted to tell this and express in English. Actually, people who may not know Tamil also, they should hear the story. And I am very happy, and we all of us stay blessed, and surely Hanumanji will bless us. This is actually, Hanumanji has taken a larger part in Ramayana, in epic Ramayana, in Sundaragandam. This Sundaragandam is equal to Ayodhya Gandam, where we see the primary importance, we get the powers of Sri Rama Padaga in Ayodhya Ganda. This is the place where a big, huge function is conducted for Sri Hanumanji, for helping Sri Rama, Lord Sri Ram and goddess awesome Sita Mata. And we all in this video we go and we visualize this picture of the temple. Even though it is a pandemic time, by giving this description, I have gone to New Varelia, the temple of powerful temple of Sri Hanumanji, and I could visualize the Hanuman Jayanti is conducted in a very vast level there, and ring function, ring festival there, and we all could visualize that, and we do get the blessings of Lord Rama and Hanumanji. There you have a beautiful idol of Lord Rama in this temple, and goddess Sita Mata and Dhyaneshwar, and everyone there. We are all happy, and Lakshmanan also is there. This temple is a very beautiful temple, and once again we all pray for Sri Hanumanji, the greatest devotee of Sri Rama, and we are also Sri Hanumanji's devotee as well as Sri Ramachandra Murthi's devotee as well as Sita Mata. We get all the blessings from their family of Sri Rama with Hanumanji. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye. Please do post your golden comments and your likes. That will be motivating me to do lots of videos like this. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye.